Peanut Brittle. Ingredients: Nonstick cooking spray, 2 cups sugar, ½ cup light corn syrup, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, cubed, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1½ cups roasted salted peanuts. Directions: line a rimmed baking sheet with foil and grease with nonstick cooking spray. Stir together the sugar, corn syrup and ½ cup water in a medium saucepan fitted with a candy, deep fry thermometer. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, then continue to boil until it's golden brown and it reaches 340 degrees Fahrenheit, about 15 minutes. Working quickly, remove the pan from the heat and stir in the butter and baking soda until smooth. It will foam and bubble up. Stir in the peanuts until evenly distributed amongst the sugar mixture. Pour onto the prepared baking sheet and quickly smooth with a rubber spatula into a thin and even layer. Let harden uncovered at room temperature until cooled completely. Break into pieces and store in an airtight container.